Hello guys, back with me again in a tutorial millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the dust texture edit on Picsart. So if you want to add some dust effect on your photo, I'm going to show you how. Just follow these steps. First open the Picsart app on your phone, and then click on the plus icon and then add the photo that you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this photo to add the dust texture. So here at the bottom, go to the mask option, and then you can see right away the dust here. And then there are various dust texture that you can use from dust 1 until dust 15. You can use anything as you like. For example, this one or this one, for example, or this one, just like that. You can choose the one that you think suits the best into your photo. I'm going to choose this one, and then you can adjust the opacity into from 0 to 100, and you can also adjust the position of the dust itself. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. And if you're done, just click on the check icon at the top and then click on this to save your photo. Just like that, your photo with dust texture edit has been saved into your gallery. So I think that's it for me. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.